by heathens. Is this life worth living? Searching for a beacon of something more.
How do we move on? Everything we've had is gone, and there's nothing left to hold on to. Is there someone that can save us from this path? Is there anyone, anything out there that can save us?
I see it just before I close my eyes, creeping in my tongue inside. I see it farther down the path, the hint of God from a cosmic crash. Is this a promise of a better life? Despite our past, can I believe my eyes? Do I tell them? Do I lead them? Or take this chance for myself? Do I lead them? Or take this chance for myself? My eyes roll back, a vision of flashing images. The Almighty stores my psyche. My eyes roll back, the Almighty stores my psyche.
If I lead them to this salvation, will you be led to the same outcome as before? War, famine, starvation? Or should I take the spoils for myself and take the chance to leave this place once and for all?
I take my chances, speak out and run. I haven't left the vaulted years and I can take the sun. Am I in danger? Will I survive? Will I get to the Almighty? When will He arrive? I need a vision, I need a sign. I took my chances, still grounded red. Was I right to make the choice that I have thought it through and then began to take a chances? Just make a plan, find the place that's in your mind, remember what she's offers it. Find the place that's in your mind, think it through and find the land. Find the place that's in your mind, think it through and find the land. My body